Hi everyone, Mike Johnston with US Invoice Funding. We're going to do two videos and they're oriented towards MCA debt. The first one I call Riding the Dragon. It's a phrase known to heroin users. You know, we live in a country where the rules are made by those who can pay to play, and that's the way they want it. They like those rules. No, they insist on those rules. It's because they have the cash to pay. You and me, we don't. The entry fee is entirely too steep for us. Is this condition unfair? Of course. Is it corrupt? Yes, but just enough so that it doesn't get changed. So where am I going with this? Well, let me give you an example. For several decades, corporate America has perpetuated a policy of delaying payment to its vendors, where once upon a time, typical remittance took only about 30 days. That payment is now closer to 60, sometimes 90 days. Think about it. When publicly traded corporations use stock purchase capital at 0% interest for all of their operations, how much can they earn with an interest-bearing investment as they delay payment to you, the service vendor? The answer is simple: enough to change the rules, and they have the money to do so. So, as corporate America makes a little more green, you and me, we get paid in 60 to 90 days. Very few small business operators can afford to finance their business for 90 days while awaiting payment. That's where business lenders and investors come in. They provide the capital bridge from invoice to payment, and they cover your interim business expenses. These investors are banks, factors, US Invoice Funding is a factor, financial partners and investors, and private capital lenders, the MCAs. MCAs. MCAs make loans to companies that don't have a choice. They need the money right now. MCAs are out hunting for those companies, and once they spot their prey, they hook them. And because their mark is so desperate, the MCA can charge outrageous fees and interest with a payment plan that is so oppressive that the ability to repay in full is doomed to failure. Don't fall into their snare. So let's back up. You need funds to cover the float. Your customers don't pay you for 45 or 60 days, and that's 8 payrolls. So do this. Talk with your bank. Ask for a revolving loan based on your invoices. Talk to your CPA. Ask for an alternative, maybe a financial partner. Or what I think is best, call us. If your financial condition can be corrected, we're going to find a way. And if a bank is your best route, I'll tell you. I'm Mike Johnston with US Invoice Funding. We're good at getting our clients headed in the right direction.